Hello everyone, myself Minkle Patel from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. This video lecture is about Playfair cipher. So, Playfair cipher is a multi-letter encryption cipher. It treats diagrams in the plain text as a single unit and translates this unit into the ciphertext diagram. So, what is diagrams? Diagram means pair of letters. So, pair of letters are considered as a single unit and translated this unit into the pair of ciphertext diagram. This algorithm is based on the 5 cross 5 matrix of letter which is constructed using a keyword. So this matrix is 5 cross 5 matrix is also known as a key matrix. So now we will see how to construct this 5 cross 5 matrix. So first of all, the matrix is constructed by filling the letters of the keyword minus the duplicate letters of that keyword. After that, from left to right and top to bottom, filling the remainder of the matrix with the remaining letter in alphabetical order. And consider the letters I and J as one letter. So, for example, if we have a keyword as monarchy, then plain text is instrument. So we are going to convert our plain text instrument into the ciphertext using the keyword monarchy using our Playfair cipher. So first of all we are constructing a 5 cross 5 matrix. So by filling our keyword, so first is M, after that O, N, A, R, C, H, Y. So as we don't have any duplicate letters, so every letter is considered here. After that, the remainder of the matrix is filled with the remaining letters in the alphabetical order. So A is already there. So next we will fill with B, D, E, F, G, H is already there. I and J is considered as a one letter. After that K, L, M and N, M, N and O is already there. So P, Q, R is already there. So we will fill with S. After that T, U, V, W, X, Y is already there. So last letter is Z. So this is a 5 cross 5 matrix and total 25 letters are there. Because here we have considered I and G as a one letter. So now we will see how to convert this plain text using this 5 cross 5 matrix to the ciphertext. So there are some rules for converting this plain text using this matrix. So first rule is the plain text is splitted into the pairs of two letters. So if there is an odd number of letters in our plain text, then X is added to the last letter. For example, consider the plain text as a Ram. So Ram will be paired as a RA and MX. So X is added here. After that, if pair contains the repeating letters, then this will be separated using the filler letter X. For example, balloon. Balloon, if we are pair the balloon, then BA double L. So in the pair, both the letters are same. So we are using the filler letter. So BA, after that LX. So X is a filler letter here. After that LO and then ON. So first of all, we will split the plain text into the pair of two letters. Next rule is, so our plain text is instrument. So it is after splitting the plain text, it will be look like this. Now we will see the next rule. So the first, if the both the letters are in the same column, so the pair contains the two letters and these both the letters are in the same column, then these both the letters are replaced with the letter below each one of the letter. For example, consider the M and E here. So M and E both are in the same column. So replace M with C and E with L. Because both are in the same column, so replace each of the letter with its bottom letter. So M is replaced with C and E is replaced with L. So ME is encrypted as a CL. Next is, if both the letters are in the same row, then take the letter to the right of each one. Okay. So for example, consider S and T here. So here S is replaced with T and T is replaced with L. Here we are going circularly from right to left. Okay, so T is replaced with L. So ST is encrypted as a TL. Okay, now we are going to see the next letter, next rule. If both the letters are not in the same row or in the same column, then form a rectangle with these two letters and take the letters on the horizontal opposite corner of the rectangle to replace the diagram. So first of all, consider the two letters N and T which are not in the same column and same row. So here construct a rectangle using N and T. So this is a rectangle which will be constructed using the N and T. So here N will be replaced with R. C in the same row of the N and show the where it intersects the T. So N is replaced with R and T is replaced with Q. See the row of the T where T is intersect with N. So T is replaced with Q. So NT is encrypted as a RQ. So these are the rules for encryption. We have our plain text is splitted plain text is here. So we are going to apply these rules into our plain text. So first of all, consider the first pair, that is I and N. So the I and N are not in the same row and the same column. So first of all, we are going to encrypt I. So we are going to encrypt I. So see the row of I which intersect N. So I is replaced with G. Now next we are going to encrypt N. So see the row of N which intersect I. So N is replaced with A. So IN is replaced with GA. Next we will see ST. S and T both are in the same row. So replace it with the rightmost letter. So S is replaced with T and T, as we are going circularly, so T is replaced with L. So ST is encrypted as a TL. Next is R and U. R and next is U. R and U are not in the same column and same row. So first of all we are encrypted R. So see the row of R which intersect column of U. So R is replaced with M. Next we are going to encrypt U. So see the row of U which intersect the column of R. So U is replaced with Z. So RU is replaced with M and Z. Next we will see M and E. M and E both are in the same column. So replace this letter with its bottom letter. So M is replaced with C and E is replaced with L. M is replaced with C and E is replaced with L. Next pair is N and T. So here N is replaced with N and T are not in the same column and same row. So here see the row of the N which intersect the column of T. So N is replaced with R and see the row of T which intersect the column of N. So it is Q. So NT is replaced with IQ. Next is SX. So consider the S and X here. Both are in the same column. So they will be replaced by its bottom letter. So S is replaced with X and as we are going circularly from bottom to top. So X is replaced with A. So SX is replaced with XA. So our plain text instrument is converted into the ciphertext and our ciphertext is this. In this way, using the 5x5 matrix and the given keyword which is only known by the sender and the receiver, we can encrypt any plain text to the ciphertext. This is all about the Playfair cipher encryption technique. Thank you.